Hey, what's up guys? Now recently I was quoted $158.42 to replace the air filter in my M3. I was able to source that part for $44. So now I'm going to show you how to save over $100 in less than 2 minutes.
Okay, this is one of the easiest jobs you're ever going to do. All you need is a Torx T25. We're going to go ahead and use the drill to make it a little bit quicker. You obviously need your filter, which you see to the left. Now there are two styles of filters depending on what year your car was manufactured. Mine was in 2009, so we have the filter that goes with that car. There's another style of filter that came along, I believe it started with the 2010 models and on. To get the filter out, we need to remove the top of the air box. This is secured by 8 T25 screws. You'll see all around this area. Once you have those removed, that pulls off really easy, and then you just pull the filter. And we're done.
Alright, well that's a wrap. Air filter in less than 2 minutes. If you enjoyed the material, please hit that like button, and if you'd like to see more, please click subscribe.